Hello everybody, welcome back to From Rhythm to Algorithm. We continue on with our derivation. Themes are ordered. Themes are orders. A theme is an order, right? Something happens over and over again. Things exist in a repeating pattern. They're themes, right? Orders are themes, themes are orders. Sensorality is synchronality. What is timing to order? Right? Now we're deriving timing is everything. Things happen, things exist. There's an order to those things. Logic is again putting those pieces together. That's why things make sense. But again, existence and just things happening produces timing. Time is the measurement of inefficiency. I need 10 minutes to cook my dinner. I need 30 minutes to drive down the road. Timing is everything is really to get into synchronicity, things happening at the same time. Oh, the job interview lined up at the same time I graduated. Timing was everything, fell into my favor. So timing is, again, synchronicity of order. Entropy differentiates. Minimal entropy is maximal stability. Order maximizes stability. Motion with intention is action. Sensorality is intended. Attending tends to. Efficacy works as intended. Censoring orders. So now we can call that a natural definition because it is, but right, order censoring. So again, that base of or. Order is censored. What is the order of soreness? Diality orders. A dial is an orderer. A sundial is a timer. So again, now we've derived a sundial. Range is, what did I have here? Range is internal. Right, last time we were talking about, again, your growth, or again, the resonance of your voice, the range of your voice. It's more intricate. Again, it has more like nuance to it, has more harmonic production. But when you speak louder, when you speak more resonantly, it's not getting further away. Range is not a distance out somewhere. And so age is just a number. So what is range? And again, range is an iteration of age with an R and an N. Sensorality is so what? Somebody says XYZ, so what? Sorality is so-rality. A syllable is a structured sound. Structure associates meaning. An algorithm is a sensor. What is the difference between speaking and writing? I'm sitting here speaking. A lot of people can talk, they can articulate grammar fine, and then they go to write sentences down, and it's a lot different. And so, what is the difference between speaking and writing? A figure is an element. Somebody says, like 21 Savage once said, I have 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. So, right. Trying to make a reference, I fucked it up. But point being is, if I have 5, 6, 7, 8 figures in my bank account, not just M's, but if someone says figures in relation to money, like I have 6 figures, right? They're referencing elementality, even more generally than numbers. So I tried to make a reference there and I failed. I have no aura. I am not Skibbity. I'm not the Skibbity Rizzler from Ohio. That stinks. Iteration refines. Refining tunes. How does geometry relate to iteration? Right? What are fractals? This overall structure of proportionality. You have two triangles with the same internal angles. It doesn't matter how long the sides are. That is a fractal. Iteration is, to me, when you have a set base of things, and then you have to keep using that set base to produce something new. And then so how does that process affect shape, geometry? Do geometric structures iterate because of fractals? Or again, what kind of question am I trying to ask? What is geometry to iteration? How do shapes, how does structure look? Logic is rational. What is a wake? What is a wave? I am waving. What am I doing? Showing you my palm of my hand. I'm forming a rhythm. Back, forth, back, forth. Hey! What is waving? I just said that. Sensorality is waking. Sensorality is every waking moment, right? Oh, I'm miserable every waking moment of my life. And what differentiation did you make there? Waking is a wake. A wake is aware. A where is a good. What are wares? Goods are wares. What are wakes? Right? Somebody passes away, you go to their wake. You go jet skiing or you go boating and there's a wake. Again, we're just deriving all of the steps that I've already derived to connect the syllability of sensorality and showing you as many logical steps as we can. With that being said, that is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.